Brandon, what happened last time you sat there?
You had to get up and run.
Yeah, get up and run, yeah.
Get up and
Nothing happened last time I sat here. Brian, what happened to Brandon last time he sat here?
He ran with a little girl.
Yeah. Oh, are you ready?
Everyone's ready.
Coming to you, Brandon. Contact. Look. He still jumps. He's a gun. I called that one. I just ran out of spray foam. If that had been one of them $5 cans, it would have made it to you.
Come on, ready?
Wow,
it was going straight for him.
If that had been one of them $5 cans, it would have made it to you.
So go to the bottom on this one too then?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's going to suck though, because I'm probably going to have to run.
It's going to come back at us.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Contact.
What the? That was cool. That was fucking sick. It sat there and hovered.
I'm pretty sure I got that on camera.
Hovered. What the? That was cool. That was fucking sick.